Stretch this muscle every day. Of course, don't tell anyone about this muscle because your neighbors will look 5 to 10 years younger. Naturally, you can share this secret, but not for free. Today, we will talk about a muscle called the P minor muscle. It needs to be stretched every day, and if you work with this muscle, you will look 5 years younger. Let me explain why. The P minor muscle attaches to the coracoid process and the third, fourth, and fifth ribs. When it is in a spasm, which is the case for most people, it compresses the nerves and blood vessels that go to the arm, thereby reducing the blood supply to your hands. It also compresses the lymphatic vessels, affecting the drainage of lymph from your face. If this muscle is in a spasm, you may experience facial swelling, puffiness, and under eye bags. This can make you look much older than your age. Do you agree with me? Working with the P minor muscle, stretching it, and improving lymphatic drainage can help reduce facial fluid retention and improve your overall condition. Additionally, by working with this muscle, you may notice a reduction in abdominal fat. Why? Because the P minor muscle attaches to the third, fourth, and fifth ribs. And at the level of the fifth rib, it attaches to the rectus abdominis muscle. When the P minor muscle is in a spasm, it impairs the function of the abdominal muscles, leading to a protruding belly. So, how should you work with this muscle? I will show you 3 simple exercises. First exercise. Take a ball and place it on the area of the P minor muscle. Massage this area with circular motions for about 2 minutes. You can apply a little pressure, although it may be slightly uncomfortable. Switch to the other side and do the same. This will help relax the P minor muscle. Then you need to stretch it. How to do it? Interlock your hands behind your back. Bring them up and make sure to lower your shoulders and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Also, engage your core muscles. Then look up and hold this position for 30 seconds. Try to feel the stretch in the chest area. Now let's do the third exercise. Stand by a door or a wall. Place your hand at shoulder level with your elbow bent. Gently lean your body to the side and hold this position for 30 seconds. Switch arms and do the same on the other side. Stretch for 30 seconds. These are the 3 simple exercises I showed you that can help stretch the P minor muscle, improve lymphatic drainage, and make your face look younger. So be sure to share this video with your friends. Like this video and leave a nice comment.